120 words per minute. Elaboration, second paper. 5 seconds to start. Comments. 1. Sealed tenders are invited by the Controller of Stores, Southern Railway, Ainavaram, Chennai, for the purchase and removal of condemned press paper cuttings from the railway press stores at Rayapuram. Tender forms can be obtained on payment of ₹10 in cash or by money order during working hours up to 2 p.m. on 9th January 2015. Completed tenders should reach Controller of Stores at or before 2 p.m. on 10th January and they will be opened at 3 p.m. on the same day in the presence of the tenderers or their authorized representatives. The Controller of Stores reserves the right to accept or reject any tender without giving any reason. Draft tender notice. 2. A leading Chennai-based seafood exporting company requires a senior accounts executive to look after their branch operations at Bhimavaram in Andhra Pradesh. The candidate should be around 40 years of age. He should possess BCom or MCom degree. He should have practical experience of 10 years in managing accounts and office administration. Must know Tamil. Knowledge of Telugu will be an added advantage. Salary will be commensurate with the candidate's equipment. House rent allowance, other perquisites and car will be provided. Application should be sent to box number 57, The Hindu, Chennai, within a fortnight of advertisement. Draft advertisement. 3. Draft a letter to the editor of The Hindu, Chennai, on the following lines. It is common to see people using cell phones while walking along roads. It is necessary to point out that this practice is as dangerous as using cell phones while driving or drunken driving. We can see news items on a regular basis about accidents that occur due to such negligence. It is necessary for the police department and voluntary organizations to urge cell phone users to follow safety rules strictly. At the same time, it is equally important for educational institutions, offices and factories to advise their staff not to use cell phones while walking or driving. It will to a large extent help reduce accidents. 4. A police constable was on duty at Kasi Theatre Junction in Chennai when a Metropolitan Transport Corporation bus from Tambaram knocked him down. The victim suffered head injury and was admitted to the Rajiv Gandhi Government General Hospital, Chennai. A large number of people gathered around the victim who was bleeding profusely. A deputy superintendent of police who was returning home from work saw the victim and shifted him to a nearby hospital. Later, he was moved to the Rajiv Gandhi General Hospital where his condition was said to be stable. The Traffic Investigation Police have registered a case and are investigating the matter. This is not the first time that police personnel or victims of road accidents draft an eyewitness account of the accident.